Hey you all, welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a scalp shampoo brush review and how it can help you grow longer, healthier hair while minimizing dandruff and other scalp problems that you might be experiencing. A clean, healthy, exfoliated scalp is great for growing luscious, thick hair and strong hair. I am going to be going through all the reasons you should be using a scalp shampoo brush and how to actually use it. As always, I'm going to be washing my hair in twists after detangling so that my hair doesn't tangle again while washing. The shampoo brush I'm going to be using in this video is from the Great Skin Co. called the Guanele Exfoliating Scalp Massager Shampoo Brush. It's meant to gently cleanse, relax and stimulate the scalp. I love that it's gentle, it's not too harsh, and it has a handle that you can use while you're exfoliating your scalp, whether in the shower or also while shampooing your hair outside the shower. I'm going to be shampooing my hair outside the shower in a basin, so I'm first going to pour water on my hair using a bucket. And then I am going to put that shampoo all over my hair. So I'm making sure that I lather the shampoo on my scalp and it will just run to the end of my hair. While using the shampoo brush, I use it in a circular motion in sections. So I start at one section, go in a circular motion, then go to another section, go in a circular motion. I'm going to be doing this all throughout my hair, making sure that my hair is gently massaged and also it's clean. Going in circular motions helps to stimulate the scalp and the hair follicles. This will make sure your hair grows out healthy and strong. It is so relaxing and reduces stress, while it gives you a massage to improve your circulation, helping you grow healthier hair. After I've gone through each section with the scalp massager, I'm just going to pour warm to hot water all over my hair and clean the rest of my hair, which is the ends of my hair, using that water and shampoo. After that, I'll just dry the hair down, which is my regular routine. After using that scalp shampoo brush, the product buildup on my hair is removed without breaking my hair. I love that it stimulates blood flow, which relaxes you and also will help over time with improving the moisture of your hair as well as the health and strength of the hair growing out of your scalp. So that was this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And do leave a comment down below if you will be trying or already using a scalp shampoo brush and how it's going for you. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye bye.